Future Flash. The courtroom just changed forever. In 2025, AI lawyers are not just assisting, they're winning. Meet Harvey, an AI legal assistant used by top firms to analyze thousands of legal documents in seconds. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't miss details, and it just helped win a $12 million case. Across the globe, AI tools like CaseText, ChatGPT-powered bots, and proprietary courtroom assistants are replacing paralegals and junior lawyers at lightning speed. In a recent US trial, an AI-generated brief outperformed one written by a human lawyer. The judge ruled in favor, not knowing it was written by a machine. Legal firms now rely on AI to predict verdict outcomes, draft complex contracts, and even suggest jury arguments in seconds. Some courts are adapting, others are resisting. But the shift is clear. AI isn't coming to law, it's already here. What does justice look like when algorithms argue in court? And more importantly, would you trust an AI with your freedom? This was Future Flash. Subscribe to 01 updates for more reality-bending tech in under 2 minutes.